Let's prepare chicken shashlik for iftar. इसके लिए हमें सबसे पहले चाहिए हाफ के जी चिकन, 1 टीस्पून ऑफ सॉल्ट, 1 टेबलस्पून गार्लिक पाउडर, हाफ टेबलस्पून कोरिएंडर पाउडर, quarter teaspoon haldi, half tablespoon chili flakes, and 3 teaspoons of soya sauce and vinegar. Now coat it well on the chicken and let it marinate for 1 hour. अब हमें चाहिए एक टमाटर, प्याज और एक शिमला मिर्च, and we have to cut it in square shape as I'm doing in the video. After 1 hour of marination, your chicken will look like this. Now transfer the vegetables in the bowl and coat the excess marination of chicken on your vegetables. Then saute your vegetables for 1 to 2 minutes and fry your chicken for 5 to 10 minutes. Now your chicken and vegetables will look like this. Assemble the chicken and vegetables on a shashlik stick as I'm doing in the video. And your chicken shashlik is ready for iftar.